Alright, everybody, this has been our plane from midnight in Addis Ababa for 10 hours across the Indian Ocean up to landing here at Singapore. Shimwana. So we're here in Singapore, stopped for cleaning and checking and security. We disembarked and shall be boarding again. It's about an hour's flight from here to Kuala Lumpur International Airport. Yeah, so yes, that's a Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner. The first leg of the journey from Lusaka was a 777-300. It was supposed to have been an A350, but was changed to 777. I don't know why. And now we're on the 787. Yeah, I think this is better than the 777. So yeah, we're just now boarding and then off to Kuala Lumpur. Just after 15 hours here in Singapore. We left Addis at midnight, Addis time. We arrived here just about 10 or so. It's 15:32 here in Singapore. It's 15:32 in Kuala Lumpur. It's early in the morning in Lusaka, so this clock hasn't changed yet. So yeah, that's boarding. I'm the Kumba guy, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go to Kuala Lumpur. Funny, I'll be coming here again tomorrow into Singapore. So I just got to spend the night, get on a bus, then I'll come here to Singapore for the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and get back on Monday again to Kuala Lumpur. Interesting weekend. But let's go.